F, F major. This F major chord is an open chord that you could play with index finger on the B, first fret. Right there, it should sound just like this. We leave this high string open, play the B right here. Next one would be second fret with your middle finger on the G, and then third fret with your ring finger on the third fret of the D string. So from there, you could play this open as well. You could play the A open, or you could play from your D string. It should sound just like this. If you get buzzing or muting, that's okay. What you want to do is leave spacing between your index and your E string here. And also move your thumb. Move your thumb around. See if you can stand up these fingers so they're not too close to each other. Or if you want to hug it, whatever's easiest, because these are both interchangeable as long as you get the same outcome. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the F major. And you would want to practice this until you get it. Take a break if you need to. Do the chromatic scale or do any other scale to warm up and get your fingers stronger. And happy playing. 15 minutes a day. Practice, practice. See you in the next video.